Hello again, and welcome to our look at the upcoming October 27th trading session. In front of you, I have the usual economic calendar. Pretty light for Monday, though, really. Not a whole lot to pay attention to. We have the German IFO Business Climate Index for October anticipated to be 104.3. We think that is probably the announcement of the day, quite frankly. That will move the DAX, it will move the Euro, and then after that we have pending home sales in America month over month for September, anticipated to come out at 0.5%. Really beyond that, not a whole lot going on that will move the market announcement-wise, but plenty of charts to look at. With the German business climate numbers coming out, it's kind of interesting that we did manage to pop over the 9,000 euros level. During the session on Friday, pulled back a little bit and then formed a nice looking hammer. This tells us that the market is trying to re-enter the consolidation area above. So anything along the lines of a positive announcement above expectations, we think will send this market higher. We may go higher anyway. Quite frankly, this is a good technical signal. So if we can break above the highs from Thursday, or even just the top of the hammer from Friday, we feel that buying calls will be the way to go going forward with the DAX, as it will most certainly make a significant leap higher, possibly as high as 9,500 in the short term, and maybe even as high as 10,000 given enough time. Looking at the euro dollar, you can see that 127 has in fact offered resistance yet again, and we have formed a shooting star. That being the case, we feel that we are going to drift back down to the 1.26 level, and possibly even lower than that. The 125 level is a pretty significant support barrier, but that's where we think this market is going anyways. We buy puts on rallies, and we certainly buy puts on a move below the 1.26 level. You can see that the S&P 500 did have a positive session on Friday, breaking above the 1960 level. Very bullish week being done with. All U.S. indices look good, so quite frankly, we look at pullbacks as call buying opportunities, as this market should go to 2000, possibly 2020, and a breakout above there given enough time. Pretty parabolic move though, so pullback at this point in time wouldn't be a surprise, but quite frankly, think of it as value. That's how we're looking at it. With that, we have looked at the October 27th trading session.